Hi, my name is Caitlin, a professional home economist. I'm going to show you how to freeze your fruits and vegetables. With all the local farmers markets and lots of fruits and vegetables available to us, we love to buy in bulk, but sometimes we can't always eat them all. So why not freeze it rather than throw it out? It's really quick and easy. I have some broccoli here. I just have it cut up into florets. I washed it under cold running water before I cut it up. And now I'm going to just blanch it. So blanching means I'm going to put it into boiling water for a recommended time. Broccoli, you just need to blanch it for 3 minutes. If you have other vegetables that you want to blanch, the recommended time is on our website. The reason why you blanch is to kill the enzyme that would continue to ripen your vegetable upon freezing. If you weren't to blanch your vegetables, they could get mushy in the freezer, and that's not good. So all I'm going to do is take my broccoli, submerge it into my boiling water, and allow it to boil for about 3 minutes. You'll notice a color change, especially with broccoli. It'll turn that nice bright green color. Once the broccoli has had its 3 minutes, you can take it out and put it immediately into cold water to shock it so that it doesn't continue cooking. You keep it in that ice water for about the same amount of time you've blanched your vegetables. In this case, it's going to be about 3 minutes. Once your broccoli has had time to cool, you're going to take it out of the ice water and put it onto your sheet tray, allowing it to dry. Once dry, you can then put your broccoli onto your tray, making sure to space it out. Put this directly into the freezer and freeze it until frozen. Once frozen, then we can package it into individual packages. When you're freezing fruit, like blueberries, it's really nice because you don't have to blanch them. They can just be washed under running cold water, patted dry, and then sprinkled right onto your tray. Freeze your fruits and vegetables in a single layer on your tray, and overnight is best before packaging. Tray freezing like this is great. I like it because when you go to package it into freezer bags or freezer containers, it makes it really simple to get what you need. So if you're gonna put it into, say, a soup or a stew or really whatever you're using your broccoli or your fruit for, you can use a little or a lot. Remember to take out as much air as you can. So burp that bag. Date your bag as well, because vegetables can last in your freezer for about 6 months. Your fruit can last for about a year. And then this goes immediately back into your deep freeze to use for another day. And do the same with your fruit. I like to freeze my fruit and my vegetables in amounts that I'm gonna use. So if I'm gonna make a blueberry pie, I like to freeze it in about 5 to 6 cup portions. That way I know my bag is ready just for my blueberry pie. Again, making sure to get out all that air as much as you can before sealing it up tight. And then marking what it is or what it's for. So if I'm gonna make a blueberry pie, I'll write down blueberry pie. If you have more questions, visit our website or give us a call.